you still using magic numbers like 1, 2, 3 to represent status codes? Let's fix that with Python enums. To create an enum in Python, start by importing the enum class from the built-in enum module. Then define a new class that inherits from enum. This inheritance is what gives your class all the enum superpowers. Each class attribute becomes an enum member with its assigned value. Notice how we're creating a class, not calling a function. This is Python's object-oriented approach to enums. Inside your enum class, define members by assigning values to class attributes. You can use integers, strings, or even tuples. Each member gets both a name and a value. The names become constants you can reference in your code. This makes your code self-documenting instead of littered with mysterious numbers. Accessing enum members is flexible. Use dot notation with the member name, like status.pending, or look up by value using the enum class as a callable, like status of 1. You can also iterate over all members or check membership with the en operator. This flexibility makes enums practical for real-world code. Python offers specialized enum types beyond the basic enum. IntEnum creates members that behave like integers for comparisons. Flag and InFlag support bitwise operations for combining values. And the auto function generates sequential values automatically, so you don't have to number them manually. Choose the variant that fits your use case. Python enums turn magic numbers into readable, type-safe constants. Import enum, inherit from it, and never hard-code status values again. Practice this in your next project. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.